All right, today we are starting a new challenge, another challenge on top of what we're doing right now with the camera confidence one. For this challenge, what we're going to do is finally finish up a project I've been wanting to finish for a long time, which is creating my first music album. So, right now, I've been not really creating any piano originals lately. I used to create somewhere around one per 2 months like last year, I think it was last year, like starting either last year or the year before that. I'm not sure. It's been a while. But lately I've been trying to get back into it, but I feel like this really huge resistance in actually sitting down and starting to create my piano originals again, especially after like not being able to do that in Japan. Technically, I could have still done that because I did bring my MIDI keyboard with me, like a very small one, but for some reason, like I can't successfully play and feel the same way with a real piano with that small MIDI keyboard. I mean, obviously, it only has like 2 octaves instead of the full 88 keys. But yeah, I still could have tried to do it, but I didn't. And I feel like that killed all my momentum. So, what I'm going to do for this challenge is 30 days of trying to create one original every 3 days. For my first music album that I have planned, it already has a good amount of piano originals that I've created for it. So I think I only need maybe like three more to finish off the album. But I want to also create the habit of actually creating music because that's something I love to do. And I keep telling myself, this is like something I love to do. This is my passion. This is like the thing that I want, but I just don't sit down and do it. It's ironic that the thing that I feel most passionate about is the thing I feel most afraid of actually committing to actually like trying my best with, because I guess it's like if the thing that I really care about the most doesn't succeed in a way, then I'll feel the most sad. But that should not be my mindset. I need to kill that mindset. I need to just go for it. Just like with basically camera confidence, I'm struggling right now to come up with the right words, but I'm doing my best and I'm trying. And that's the whole point, is to just try. So that's what I need to do with creating my music album, creating more original pieces. Right now, I'm going to stick with piano originals. I feel like I don't have quite enough knowledge with the other instruments to include them. I've tried doing that before, but it turned out really bad. And I don't want to make it part of my first album yet. I want to create just a lot more piano stuff, and once I get the hang of that, then I'll start adding in other instruments. So that's the plan right now. 3 days for one original, and I'll figure out like along the way like how plausible that is. I feel like I've created at least two originals where it only took me like 1 to 2 days. So it's definitely possible. And if I push myself, I can do it. But I'm kind of trying to limit myself to maybe like 1 to 2 hours per day since I have like a lot of other projects to do and my freelance work and stuff like that. So let's see how this goes. I may not like succeed every single time with the 3 day intervals, but I'm gonna try my best. And I will probably make videos every 3 days talking about it and talking about the process. I'll be recording myself and documenting the process as well, just to have more fun with it, since I thought it was really nice doing that for my learning Japanese with AI thing. So that is the next journey. We are finally gonna actually get into it, like get into a rhythm of creating my own original music, which is something, like I said, I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Right now, I've only created maybe like 8 to 9 originals. So that's very, very little for something I call my passion. So let's change that. Let's make it like 100 plus. And then I can truly say, I've put my all into it. I've actually put in effort. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one.